Ibrahim. My husband's name is Gamal Mahmoud. We are living here over 17 years. We have a beautiful daughter. Her name is Dalia. We used to live in Koreatown all this time, and we like the place. It's a very quiet and nice people. And then we decided, because we are spending too much money on rent, to get or to purchase a home. I Googled it and I got this company, Kusuma Selling Homes, and they assigned for me April, who's a very active agent. And then we're working for almost 1 year. We moved all over the places because we were specifically wanted certain places. And it took us a long time because not all the houses were being perfect or as we wished. We wanted a remodeled houses. We wanted a good location for our daughter and for her safety and for our safety as well. And thanks God, at last, although they went to see one of the houses and they didn't find it suitable, my husband by chance he found it in the red film within the first 10 minutes when they just put it there. And we are so lucky to get it. It's our dream house, and hopefully from now on we'll get more and more better houses. But this is the most wonderful one.
I just want to add that to thanks our agent, April, she was so patient and so helpful all the time, answering our call, responding within no time, That is all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. We are really very satisfied with Rudy Kusuma Selling Homes team, and if any one of our friends or relatives they want to purchase a house one day, definitely we are going to recommend them for them.